Learn Python in 30 days. Day 4, Python operators. So in this day 4 class, we will learn Python operators are building block of logic and computation in any program, whether you are performing calculations, comparing values, making decisions, or controlling programs flow. Operators are everywhere. In day 4, we are going to learn arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, operator precedence. By the end of this lesson, you will confidently use operator to write real Python logic. What are operators in Python? Operators are special symbols that perform operation on values called operands. Example are a equal to 10, b equal to 5, and the operator is plus operator here, and it is print a plus b. Here plus is operator, a and b are operands, and result is 15. Let's write some examples. Day 4, operators equal to 10, b equal to 5, print a plus b. So here it is printing 15. A is A and B are operands and plus is operator. So it is calculating the sum of A and B and then printing on the console. Now we will see about the arithmetic operators in Python. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculation. So arithmetic operators are used to calculate the mathematical calculation. Plus is for addition. An example is 10 plus 5. Result is 15. Similarly, minus is the subtraction operator, and 10 minus 5 equal to 5. A star is for multiplication. 10 star 5 equal to 50. This is for division. 10 divided by 5 equal to 20. So 10 divided by 5 equal to 2.0. And this is the modulus operator. Modulus 10 modulus 3 equal to 1. And this is the exponent. Exponential 2 star 3 equal to 8. And this is the floor division. 10 divided by 3 equal to 3. So these are the arithmetic operators in Python. Let us see the examples. A equal to 10, b equal to 5, then print a plus b. Second is a minus b minus operator. Third is a percent b, a divided by b, a floor division by b. So run this and you will get the output here. So this is the use of arithmetic operators in Python. So you should know all these operators in Python. You should create the program yourself on your computer and then try with some other example. It's very important to understand and learn the arithmetic operator in Python. So this is the example here. So slash always returns a float value and it removes the decimal value. Now we will see the relational operator. Now we will see the comparison operator in Python. Relational operators are compared two values and return either true or false. Double equal to is equal to, example is A equal to B, not equal to, example is this, A not equal to B, greater than A greater than B, less than A less than B, greater than or less than A is greater than or less than B, and this is less than or equal to, and the example is less than or equal to. Now we will see all these examples. You type all these examples in your Python IDE or in the Jupyter notebook and run these examples. So this is the either it is returning true or false. These are relational operators, and the relational operators are used in with the if statements, loops, and validations. Now we will see the logical operator in Python. Logical operators combines conditions. For example, and this is true if both conditions are true, or this is true if at least one condition is true, and not is reverses the result. Logical operator example. Logical operator example. Is equal to 25, salary equal to 50,000, print age is greater than 18 and salary is less than 50,000. It will print false. Similarly, you can use print age is greater than 18, 15, or salary is greater than 30,000. It will print true because this age is satisfying and this is also satisfying. If I do it is less than 30,000, then also it will get true because any of the condition is satisfying. Here age is 15, which is greater than 25. Sorry, age is greater than 15, which is true. That's why it's printing true. And there is not operator, which you can print not age is greater than 18. Is false. So this is the example of logical operator. Now we will see another type of operator, which is called assignment operator. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. For example, equal to is one of the assignment operator which assigns the value 10 to variable x. These are the compound assignment operator: equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, slash equal to, slash, sorry, percentage equal to, star equal to. So this is assignment operator, add and assign operator, subtract and assign. This is multiply and assign, divide and assign, and modulus and assign operator, power and assign. Let's see a few examples. Example is this one, this one. We can try one example. As a programmer, you should learn all these operators in detail. You should try the example in your computer. This is the assignment operator. Now we will learn about the operator precedence. Operator precedence in Python. Operator precedence decides which operator is executed first in an expression. Example: without precedence knowledge, 10 plus 5 star 2, so output is 20, and this is because the star has higher precedence than plus. So this is the precedence order in Python or in any other programming language. This is the precedence order. First precedence is provided to the parenthesis, second is exponent, third is star, slash, or modulus operator or percentage, then plus and minus, and then relational operator, then not, and, or, and finally the assignment operator. So this is the precedence, and you should remember this precedence while writing your code. So it is executed like this: 10 plus 5 will be executed first, and then it is multiplied by 2. That's why the output is 30. So use parenthesis clearly even if you know precedence. So basically, if you writing a program, you should clearly write your precedence using the parenthesis and other operators. So real world example is this. So let's create a real world example. Operator real world example: marks is equal to 50, then if marks is greater than equal to 90, then print grade A. If marks is greater than equal to 75 and marks is less than 90, then print grade B as print grade C. So here we have used the relational operator, which is greater than equal to and less than equal to, and logical operator and is the logical operator here, and assignment operator is here. So we have used all the operators, most of the operators in this example. So you should think of about more examples and then write on your computer and try it. Understanding operators in Python is very important, and you should try with examples. So beginner is equal to instead of double equal to. So if A equal to B, this is a wrong statement. The correct statement is if A double equal to B, and sometimes you are forgetting the operator precedence, so it is confusing, and you should write correctly by using the parenthesis. For example, 10 plus 2 star 3. So practical exercise is this, and you should try it yourself. Write a program to calculate the sum, difference, product of two numbers, check whether number is greater than 100, and divide the number by 5. Logical operator to check if age is greater than 18 and citizen is equal to true. So this example you can try it. What next? In next day 5 we are going to learn if, else and elif loops, decision making logic, and writing real world conditional programs. Operators equal to plus conditions equal to real Python power. Summary of day 4. Arithmetic operators handle math. Relational operators compare values. Logical operators combine conditions, and assignment operators simplify code. Operators precedence control execution order. So this is important, and you should learn the and remember the operator precedence and write a good program. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe our channel.